In this video, I would like to introduce the MT drive magnetic propulsion system. This is technology I've developed solely by myself and am giving away freely to the world in hopes of further technological development. This system here has the potential to easily become a motor generator, and once that it's set in motion, it will continue in motion perpetually. I'm giving this away, like I said, freely to the world as an open source project. So I'm going to show you how basically it works and the operation of the system. So let's get started. My name is Michael J. Talaske. I'm the inventor of the MT drive magnetic propulsion system. The MT stands for my initials, and it also stands for the emptiness of space, because that is precisely how this device operates. It operates off the 0 point or the ether, or counter space. You only have two dimensions to work with. You have space and you have counter space. Space is everything that you can see in the visible light spectrum and in matter. Counter space is everything that you can't see. Counter space is the black hole. It's the drain. It's where everything is funneling into. Counter space is what drives all the planets, and it works from the macro to the micro. And that's precisely how my device operates. Nikola Tesla had a quote about the wheelwork of nature, and Tesla said that once man can attach his machinery to the wheelwork of nature, then he'll really be doing something. And that's precisely what I've done with this system. I've tapped into just what he was talking about. That's exactly how this thing operates. It pulls from the 0 point. What it basically does is uses two magnets, and it makes the magnets a monopole. In Tesla's monopolar system, it uses a self-referencing point to push off against, and that's exactly how this thing operates. It operates on a principle known as magnetic pi strapping, meaning it straps the magnetic field and locks in to points at every 180 degrees in the rotation. It locks in, and then it pumps, and then it locks back in every 180 degrees. So I call it magnetically pi strapping the field. I'll show you exactly how this thing works real quick. These magnets here, these are your engine, because this is an engine of war, meaning that the fields are what drive the system when they're going against each other. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This set of magnets here, these are repelling each other, okay? And this set of magnets here, these are attracting each other. Now, these two squares are different sizes, okay? This size is bigger than this one. This sets up something in the field known as a magnetic differential, because this magnetic field is going to be bigger than what this one is. Okay, so you're setting up a magnetic differential. Now, this thing only locks in certain spots to the field, meaning it locks in here and then it turns 180 degrees and locks back in. So it does this pump action to where it spins, catches, and spins and catches like a magnetic spider gear. It locks in, the field pumps, spins, and then it locks back in the next 180 degrees, magnetically pipe striping the field. Just to get these magnets in this configuration here was an engineering feat that few have yet to accomplish, I guarantee that. There's an immense amount of pressure right here because these magnets are pulled together and super glued down like this. So it's like taking a tightly wound spring and putting it all in this square. There's so much potential energy right here just waiting to explode out of there. So I'm going to show you how this thing works. We'll put the cover on it so you don't stick the magnets together. Okay. There's nothing to the thing. Look, it's a subwoofer box with a bike wheel mounted on it. So there's nothing to it other than what I'm going to show you right here. All it requires is a slight pump of the field. And as you increase the speed, it will increase the speed of the wheel. So once you get it locked in to the right spot and just press down a little bit, it starts to torque. And you barely have to touch it at all. I'm just doing a very slight pumping motion. It's catching every 180 degrees, but the faster that you pump, and the harder you pump on the field, the more torque it produces. It's that simple, because nature is that simple. This is Tesla's wheelwork of nature. And I had to remake this video a second time because I uploaded it yesterday and I accidentally deleted it before it fully uploaded to my library. This thing will go forever as long as this motion in this driver magnet is maintained. It's just a slight up and down, that's all it is, causing this rotation. If you add magnets to the outside of the wheel with pickup coils, you're producing electricity. This is better than wind. This is better than solar because it won't stop once it starts. I'm not going to sit here all day, but it would go all day if I did. Tesla's wheelwork in nature. You've seen it here first. I'm just trying to make Nikola Tesla proud. That's why I'm giving this technology away freely to the world, because that's what he would have done. So I appreciate you for watching this video, and I hope you share it with others. And I hope that everybody can learn something from this and take it to the next level. Please, you have my full 100% permission to do so. Thank you.